Hey guys, just want to give you a really quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to assign controls on your interface to knobs and buttons and other controls of HISE modules. So let's start by adding an interface script, and we'll add a control to this. I'm just going to add a slider for now. And the value of this slider is 0 to 1. Let's change that from 0 to 500. And we'll change the mode to time. So now it's going to have milliseconds. I'm just going to hit compile. And there we have a knob on our interface. Now I'm going to go to the effect settings and add a simple gain. When I find it, simple gain, there we go. Now we're going to assign this knob that we put on our interface to the delay control. You can see that goes from 0 to 500 milliseconds, just like our knob does. So to do this is really easy. So we go back into the interface designer, we select the knob, and over on this side in the processor ID drop down we can select our simple gain, and then in the parameter ID we can select delay. And you'll notice that these parameters, we've got gain, delay, width and balance. Those are all of the same controls that we've got here. So now if I hit compile again, and if I move this knob, we can see that it moves the knob on the delay effect as well. Now this can be used with almost any of the modules in HISE. That includes the processes that you'll add through things like gain envelopes and all these controls here, and if you were to add a sampler, for example, and we've got the envelope here by default. Now if we go back into our interface designer and we click the processor ID, we can see our envelopes there. We've even got the sampler there, so all of the modules will show up in the processor ID. And then the actual parameter is selected in the next list. Now if you need to remove this, so let's say we decide we don't want to assign a control this way, we want to do it in scripting, and you may want to do that if you want a knob on your interface or a button or any control to control more than one thing, then you can't use this system because this can only control one thing at a time, one parameter, so you'd need to do it through scripting. So if you want to remove these assignments, you click on the control here in the widget list, you press J on your keyboard, and then you can see the assignment there, processor ID and the parameter, and you just delete those two lines and make sure you delete the comma at the end of the previous line, and then hit F5, and now that's no longer assigned. In a future version of HISE, I imagine there'll be an easier way to do that, but that's not that difficult. And it's good to know how to bring up this window anyway, in case you need to edit other stuff. So that's it, just a quick video to show you how to assign controls to modules. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful for you.